Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita Malik and in this video I'm going to share my nighttime skincare routine. So I have already washed my face and I used the Clean and Clear Fairness face wash, and I used this face wash because I have been using it since years now. I think this suits my skin as well. I have had tried many other face wash as well, but I just get back to it again and again. And so moving on, today I'm going to use a face mask. I use a face mask after every 2 days. I have two face masks. One is the Caffeine coffee face mask, and the other one is the MamaEarth Neem face mask. Every time I get a pimple or I can feel an acne bump on my face, I use it and it instantly reduces the pimple. It's a very good face mask. If you have an acne prone skin type, then you can use it, but test it before you completely use it on your face. I would suggest the Caffeine coffee face mask is for the oily skin type, but I use it because I love beauty products that is of coffee or chocolate ingredients. This comes along with a wooden spatula to apply the face mask, but today I'm going to use the MamaEarth Neem face mask because I can feel an acne bump on my nose. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to use this brush to apply the face mask on my face. Please make sure you test out the products on a small area of your skin before you use it on your face. Whether it's a makeup product or a skincare product, don't go for it blindly just because it suits someone. That doesn't mean it will suit your skin too. So always make sure you test it out before using it. So I applied it on my face, leaving the eyes and my lips, and I'm going to let it dry on my face for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then after 15 to 20 minutes I'm going to wash it off. So I'm going to use the facial cleansing sponge that is easily available on Nykaa or Amazon. You can check that out. I'll leave a link down below in the description box, so you can wet it, squeeze off the water and wipe off the mask. So before that I just used a little bit of water all over my face because the mask was completely dry, so it will be easy to wipe off the mask with the damp sponge. Now, why use this facial cleansing sponge to wipe off the face mask is because when the face mask dries completely on your skin, obviously it takes time to wash it off using water with just your hands. So instead, using a facial cleansing sponge makes it way easier to wipe off the face mask without taking a lot of your time, and also added to that, it's kind of exfoliates your skin. And by the way, here I was running back to the washroom again and again just to clean the sponge and then wipe off the leftover mask on my face. Next, after I completely took off the face mask, the next step is to apply a toner. So I'm using the Khadi rose water for this. You can use any rose water as a toner. Even Dabur Gulabari rose water will do the work. So I'm going to use a small cotton pad to apply the toner on my face. I'm pouring a little bit of the toner on the cotton pad and then gently dabbing the cotton pad all around my face and as well as neck. Whatever skincare product you choose to apply on your face, don't forget to take it down below till your neck, because your neck ages way faster than your facial skin, so the aging will appear first on your neck. So you should always apply all the products till your neck and keep it moisturized. Now after toner, I'm going to use the Caffeine green tea face serum. Now an alternate to that is the Patanjali aloe vera gel, which also acts as a serum and as a moisturizer. So I'm taking a few drops of the Caffeine face serum on my palm and then gently pressing it on my skin. Always be very gentle while you apply your skincare or your makeup products on your face. I would suggest you gently just dab or press the product on your skin instead of rubbing it all over your face. Now for moisturizer, I have the Pond's Light Moisturizer that I always use in the morning after bath. So this is how the moisturizer looks, and it is very light, and at the same time it also keeps your skin moisturized for long, and it gives you a matte finish after you apply it on your face like this. As you can see, it's a really good moisturizer and I would highly recommend you using this moisturizer, and as it is very light, I think it will be suitable for oily skin as well. And the other one is the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Like its name, it has a gel texture and I prefer using this at night. There is no particular rule to this. You can use any one of these both in the day and night. This is just how I prefer using, so I mentioned it in this video. This is how it looks, and it has a gel like texture, and like its name, it's a super light gel, and I love this moisturizer a lot, and I highly recommend you using this moisturizer. Again, suitable for any skin type. It gives you a glow with a smooth finish after it gets soaked into your skin. This is how it looks. You can see the shine. It feels super hydrated after you apply it. I just love this moisturizer and the way it feels after I apply it. So now how I apply this moisturizer is I like to use it like a thin face mask. If you watch Malvika Shitlani, you'd know it already. So I don't massage it into my skin, but just apply it like a thin mask all around my face and as well as on my neck. It looks like I'm massaging it, but actually I was gently spreading it all around my face and neck. I follow Malvika Sitlani on Insta as well, and I saw her doing it in one of her Insta stories, and so I thought of trying it out, and I tried, and my skin really felt good and hydrated the next morning. So I have been following this technique since then with the aloe vera gel or with this particular moisturizer, because both has the gel texture. I also apply it under my eyes and over my eyelid as well, so that my under eyes stays hydrated throughout the night. Now again, I would repeat, you can use the same technique using the Patanjali aloe vera gel as well after you apply the rose water toner. That will also do the work. Sometimes when I get breakouts around my cheeks, then I use only aloe vera gel all over my face like a thin face mask. If you don't want to go for any high-end moisturizers or skincare, then you can definitely use an aloe vera gel and it will do the magic. That is how it looks after applying the moisturizer as a thin face mask. Now what I do is I just let it sit on my face for about 5 minutes so that it gets soaked into my skin around my under eye area, and then after 5 minutes I use the Caffeine coffee under eye cream. Always use your ring finger for applying an under eye cream because it has the least amount of pressure. I'm taking one small pump of it, and using both of my ring fingers, I apply the cream in dots under my eyes. And gently massage it under my eyes, taking it around till my brow bone. Now, I don't know if it reduces the dark circles under the eyes because I have never had intense under eye dark circles to notice what difference it makes, but it does keep your under eye well hydrated throughout the night. Lastly, for my lips, I use the Nivea Fruity Lip Balm. And this is my complete nighttime skincare routine. I hope you loved watching it and try out the technique and see if that works for you or not, because it's winter and you need to moisturize your skin. So before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit that notification bell below to get the notification of my new videos. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye.